Matt, what do we got here today?
Looks like we have a 560-4 Lamborghini, it's 2010. We have a Mercedes AMG GTS, a Ferrari 458 Italia, the new Z06.
This is fantastic.
All speed limits will be obeyed.
I'm not buying that for a second.
We got a GT4, and then we also have...
So something feels wrong about this one.
Should be selling real estate.
Let me show you the open house. So 3 in Den. Guys, it's WADZ with the WADZ Up channel. We're over at Scenic Rush and we're going on an adventure here. We're with Matty in the Lamborghini. This is his bucket list. And he hasn't been in one of these ever before and he's so stoked.
Tire Slayer!
I'm stoked to be the co-pilot.
I think we're breaking all of the rules already. I've been here 10 seconds, we're already ruining everything. Don't rev that, don't hold that. Don't do that.
Don't rev. Don't put it in Corsa mood. Yeah. Stay off the radio. Roger, Roger. We're ready for takeoff.
Pick your spot in your lane and stick to it so you feel the cheese when this thing corners. Enjoy.
And then we can slingshot.
Thumbs up, please. Porsche go. Second Porsche, Corvette, Audi, Ferrari, Mercedes, Lambo, last car. Ready to go.
It's a little terrifying to know that you're driving somebody else's $250,000 car. But at least we got full insurance. By the way, it just rev matches for you, so you don't have to do anything. You can just be awesome. The old Italians, they get angry. Mamma mia! Spinning the tires.
Never.
She goes, boys.
Woo! See the look on my face.
Yeah, she goes.
You're just happy, eh?
Well, this is my dream come true. Literally.
What do you think of the handling?
It's very, very tight. There's not a lot of feedback on the road, but there's enough. Lime green Lamborghini. If that doesn't scream asshole, I don't know what does.
You gotta drop them.
In the right lane.
Do them.
It's really chunky in the transmission, like just single gear, just bang, and you can feel it thunk and drop. And
Look what I get to drive. Brand new convertible Z06. This makes my day.
so this is legit the most powerful car they have.
Does it have traction control?
It does, but apparently the traction control doesn't like people. It doesn't like to be driven, this car.
So it's like a stallion.
Angry. It's like an old donkey. What does that say?
650
Yeah.
horsepower.
Yeah.
Whoa.
She goes, wow!
She's angry. What's going on with my hair today?
I don't know. 650 horse, 650 foot-pounds. It's considered the most dangerous car they have here. I hate getting in the car with other people. Yeah, it gives me a fucking heart attack. Not in a corner. Does it accelerate pretty quick? This thing frickin' goes. It's going slow.
Throwing hell on wheels.
It makes your hair look gorgeous, by the way. What'd you think?
I absolutely loved it.
It smells like octane in here.
I didn't overheat it?
No, you're good. You're getting a little warm, but not too bad. You got this. Talk to you guys in a bit.
Beauty, how are you feeling after that? Did I scare you?
I check my pants when I get out. I'll take a little look-see and see how I wore white shorts too.